Now student, continue with the 10th question. The 10th question is tan inverse 3a square x minus x cube upon a cube minus 3ax square. The angle of given function can be converted into standard result of tan 3 theta. We can make this tan 3 theta. So what is the formula of tan 3 theta? Let us start the solution. What is given? Given tan inverse 3a square x minus x cube upon a cube minus 3ax square. This is the given equation. Now we know the standard formula of tan 3 theta is, we learnt all this formula in the trigonometry in class 11. So tan 3 theta is 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta over 1 minus 3 tan square theta. This is the formula of tan 3 theta. Now in this question we can change this term as tan 3 theta. So we can put here, let x is equal to a tan theta. The value of x we can put here a tan theta, and x upon a, from this x upon a equal to tan theta. After that the theta will come tan inverse x upon a. Now put this value in this equation, tan inverse 3a square x minus x cube upon a cube minus 3ax square. Now tan inverse 3a square is as it is. The value of x is a tan theta minus x cube here. So it will come a cube tan cube theta upon 1 minus, this is a cube minus 3a. In the place of x we will put here a tan theta, so it will come here x square, so it will convert it into a square tan square theta, close the bracket. Then tan inverse 3a square into a cube tan theta minus a cube tan cube theta, in the numerator a cube minus 3a into a square 3a cube tan square theta. Now tan inverse, here we will take a common, so what is left? 3 tan theta, a cube common, 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta over a cube is common, 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Now this a cube cancel with this, what is left? Tan inverse 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. And after that tan inverse, this is the formula of, here you know that tan 3 theta equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta over 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So we can put here value, this term is equal to tan 3 theta. So tan inverse cancel with this tan, what is left? 3 theta. Now what is the value of theta? Theta is tan inverse x upon a. So we can resubstitute here. So it will come tan inverse x upon a, and this is answer, 3 tan inverse x upon the a. This is the value of this given term. Now after that let us start the solution. Question number 11. Question 11th has, yes, find the value of, this is question number 11, find the value of each of the following. Now I am writing the question. Tan inverse 2 cos 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. 11th question, find the value of this term. Find the value of this term. Now you know that what is the value of sin in, we know. Let us start the solution. We know sin inverse 1 by 2 equal to, yes, sin 1 by 2. Sin 1 by 2 is 30 degree. 1 by 2, when the value of sin is 1 by 2 at 30 degree, so sin inverse 1 by 2 is pi by 6. So in the question, tan inverse 2 cos 2 sin inverse 1 by 2, this is the question. So in the place of sine inverse 1 by 2, we will put here pi by 6. After that, tan inverse 2 cos, here 2 into pi by 6 cancel, then it will come pi by 3, 2 cos pi by 3, and this is tan inverse 2. We know that what is the value of cos pi by 3? The value of cos pi by 3, 180 upon 60 degree, cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. So cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. We can put here 1 by 2. So tan inverse, after cancellation it will come 1, and tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. So what is the value of this term? Tan inverse twice of cos into 2 sine inverse 1 by 2 is equal to pi by 4. This is the value of this term. Now start the question number 12. Cot of tan inverse A plus cot inverse A. This is the question. We have to find out the value of this term. This is important for 1 mark question. Now, yes, we know. Let us start the solution. We know from the formulas tan inverse A plus cot inverse A, or tan, you can write in formula tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equal to pi by 2. Here in the place of x, A is given, angle is A. So tan inverse A plus cot inverse A equal to pi by 2. So cot of tan inverse A plus cot inverse A, that is equal to cot of, in the place of this term we can write here pi by 2. So what is the value of cot pi by 2? The value of cot pi by 2 is 0, because the value of cot pi by 2 is 0. This is the answer. This is the answer of this question. Now let us start the question number 13. The question number 13 is tan inverse 1 by 2 sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square plus cos inverse 1 minus y square upon 1 plus x square. Now I am writing here tan 1 by 2 into sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square plus cos inverse 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square. Mod x, condition is mod x is less than 1 and y is greater than 0 and x y is less than 1. Yes, now let us start the solution. Now here sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. The angle of tan is converted into tan inverse. We will convert into tan inverse. So we will use the standard derivation here. So we know we will use a formula here, identities, that is we know 2 tan inverse x. The value of 2 tan inverse x is sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. This term is equal to this 2 tan, this is the formula, 2 tan inverse equal to sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. Similarly 2 tan inverse y is equal to cos inverse 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square, this term. Now tan 1 by 2 into sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square plus cos inverse 1 minus y square upon 1 plus y square equal to, yes, in the place of this term tan 1 by 2, in the place of this term we can write here 2 tan inverse x, plus in the place of this term we can write here 2 tan inverse y. Now 2 is common, so tan 1 by 2 is common, here tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So tan 1 by 2 as it is, we can write here tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, that is the formula, that is tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. So after that this 2 cancel with this 2 by opening the bracket. What is left? Tan into tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. After that, this term cancel with this, so what is left? X plus y upon 1 minus xy. So this is the answer, this is the value of this term. Now let us start the question number 14. Question number 14 is, if sine of sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x equal to 1, then find the value of x. Now given, let us start the solution. Given sine of sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to 1. This is given in the question. Now sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x, transfer this sign. What will come here? Sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x, and you know that what is the value of sine inverse? That is sine theta equal to x and theta equal to sine inverse x. Why this? We are changing this term now because sine pi by 2 equal to 1. So we can write here sine inverse, the value of 1 is sine pi by 2. So sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x equal to sine inverse, cancel with this. What is left? Pi by 2. Now next term sine inverse 1 by 5 equal to pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. We have transferred this term cos inverse x in the right hand side because, what is the reason? Because we know that entity sine inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. Therefore the value of pi by 2 minus cos inverse x is equal to sine inverse x. So we can put here sine inverse 1 by 5 as it is. In the place of this term pi by 2 minus cos inverse, that is equal to sine inverse x. So we are putting this term here sine inverse x. Now what is the value of sine inverse 1 by 5 equal to sine inverse x? The value of this term is 1 by 5. The value of x is 1 by 5. Now continue with the question number 15. In question number 15 is, if tan inverse x minus 1 upon x minus 2 plus tan inverse x plus 1 upon x plus 2 equal to pi by 4. You have to find out the value of x. Now let us start. In this question, tan inverse, this is the term like the formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So we can use here formula. We know that tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. This is the formula and we will use this formula in this question. Now here in the place of x this term is given and in the place of y this term is given. So here the formula is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. So here we will put here tan inverse, this term is x plus y upon 1 minus xy equal to pi by 4. In the next step, x minus y upon x minus 2 plus x plus 1 upon x plus 2 is as it is. 1 minus x1 upon x minus 2 into x plus 1 upon x plus 2. And here tan inverse 1 transfer that side, so it will come tan pi by 4, and you know the value of tan pi by 4 is 1. So we can put here in the next step x minus 2, take the LCM, x minus 1 and x minus 2 and x plus 2 is the LCM. So here what is coming, x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus x plus 1 into x minus 2, and in the denominator here take the LCM, so it will come x minus 2 into x plus 2. So here x minus 2 and x plus 2 is the LCM by this term minus x minus 1 into x plus 1. Now here tan pi by 4 is 1. Value of tan pi by 4 equal to 1. So we can put here 1. Now solve this equation. What will come here? This term cancel with this term. So what is left? X minus 1 into x plus 2 plus x plus 1 into x minus 2 over x minus 2 into x plus 2, because this term is cancelled, minus x plus minus 1 into x plus 1 equal to 1. Now solve this equation, multiply this, it will come x square plus 2x minus 2 plus x square minus 2x plus x minus 2x over x square plus 2x minus 2x, multiply this one, then minus 4, here minus sign, so it will come minus x square, then minus x, then minus minus plus x, then minus 1 equal to 1. Now cancel the term, 2x is cancelled with this term. Now what is left? Plus x cancel with this minus x, this term. So what is left? Here 2x square plus x square, 2x square and minus 2, and that term minus 2, then it will come minus 4. So it is coming here. This is minus 2. This plus x is cancelled with this, so it is coming minus 2 and minus 2, minus 4. So what is coming here? 2x square minus 4. Similarly in the denominator is, yes, x square cancel with this term, x square, and then minus 4, 2x cancel with this term, then minus x cancel with this term, minus 4 minus 1, the minus, after that minus minus, here minus 1 and plus 1, so it will come 2x square minus 4, that is minus 4 plus 1 equal to 1. So 2x square minus 4 equal to minus 3. So 2x square equal to 1 and x square equal to 1 by 2. Therefore the value of x is yes, plus minus 1 by 2. This is answer. The value of x is plus minus 1 by root 2. Thank you so much.